Hey guys, welcome aboard. My name is Josh Potler. I'm with 26 North Yachts. We're here in Fort Lauderdale. We're cruising down the New River. We're on a super special boat today. This is a 2021 Scout 53. She's got Quint 450Rs. She cruises at about 40 knots, probably tops out somewhere around 62, 65. Also a really great platform for guys that want to do yachting a little bit differently. They can do some fishing, they can do some diving. There's a really cool tower that gives you the visibility that you might be looking for when searching for tuna, mahis, birds, weed lines, whatever. So super versatile boat. Excited to show you the boat, and thanks for tuning in. Alright guys, as you can see, this boat is bad to the bone, super fast, furious. You can fish it, you can explore far and wide. There's all different ways to do yachting the right way. You can give me a call. My contact information is down below. Whether you're into fast boats like this one, climate controlled though, or into something much larger, slower, more luxurious, I can help you find the right boat. Josh Potler at 26 North Yachts. Give me a call. Would love to help you out.